play the triangle. That's what you do. You hear that?
All right. Hey, yo, chill. Come on. Yo, chill.
Room service!
What the hell is this?
Knock it up.
That crazy sons of... Knock it off. Come on now.
Hello.
Hi there, ma'am.
Thank you for calling All-Star Hotel.
Hi there. Hi, ma'am.
If you know the
Hello, ma'am.
extension you would like to
Hiya, honey.
dial it now.
Hello.
For guest services, press 1. Front desk, press 2.
Damn it, the hell.
Room service, press 3.
Okay.
All right, the call was being transferred.
Come on.
Sorry,
Hi.
your
What
party
do you say
is
there?
not
Hi there.
available.
Hello.
Please leave a message after the tone. Thank you.
Yeah, what's up there? This is Rizzo in 8C. What the hell kind of room service you got here? All I called down for was a cute little chicken sandwich, and I got these 5 nutty bastards. They're up here jumping on the beds, tearing each other's clothes off. They're smoking them wacky little cigarettes. You know, one says his name is Strings or something. What is he, funny with that? Coming all cute with the mouth? Knock it off! Get out of there! I'm gonna break that thing! Hey! Come on now, stop that!
See what they did?
Damn it to hell! I'll tell you what, you better get somebody up here quick. I'm gonna come down and split your nuts with a shoe!
Just don't listen. You didn't listen to me.